Gentlemen, we hope this email finds you well. Thank you for clicking on this first tutorial video. This video here will be regarding the general basic functionality of the range function for TRACKMAN. Many of you over the past couple of years have become very, very familiar with the functionality of TRACKMAN, but anybody that has not, we just wanted to send this along to you so that you can refamiliarize yourself or hopefully learn something. This will not be a full troubleshooting video. This will just answer a lot of the general questions. So where we have the screen captured right here will be the main home screen for TRACKMAN. You should see it like this pretty much every time you arrive. Hopefully a staff member will be around most times, but we will not be here at all times to answer all these questions, but deeper troubleshooting videos. We will attach our contact information below in the email. Always feel free to reach out and hopefully we can help you. But again, here is the general screen for the range function. If you arrive at Bobolink for your tee time and you have this screen and you just want to hit a few golf balls, shot analysis is going to be your option. There's a few other functionalities up here on top as well as the bottom of the screen here. But when you arrive, all you have to do is hit start.
So gentlemen, once you hit start to use shot analysis, this will be the screen that you see. It is just TRACKMAN updating the target image. You will not have to change anything here. It'll just verify what the trackable area is. All you have to do is hit continue in the lower right-hand corner. Gentlemen, here's the next screen. Once the target image is updated, you can select your name if your name is in the system. Most of you will see your name in there. If not, you can always select in the upper left-hand corner Dan Waters, Nick Gonaville, Marcus Herpja, or you can go in without a player selected by just hitting continue in the lower right-hand corner. Once you have selected the player that will be using the range today, you can, in this screen, select a club to start. Club does not necessarily matter unless you are collecting data, but you can select any club that you'd like and hit continue in the lower right-hand corner.
On this screen, you will see a lot of numbers on the bottom. You can always customize that. If you'd like to change any of those numbers or delete some, if you go over to the right-hand side of your screen, lower right-hand corner, you can take the mouse and just click the gear button here. That'll give you the settings to add or delete any of the numbers, and you'll see them change at the bottom of the screen as you go. So if you're working on anything in particular or there is just too much information down there, you can just hit that gear button and adjust whichever numbers that you would like, and the staff is always happy to clarify what any of those numbers mean if you have any questions. But as you're on this screen, this is what most of you are familiar looking at. You'll be able to hit as many golf shots as you'd like, just directly straight into the screen, and it'll give you all the numbers on the bottom. As you go throughout your practice session, if you'd like to change clubs and collect data separately, if you go to the top of the screen here, right in the middle, you'll see the player name, and then just to the right of it is going to be a club option, so you can change to whichever club you'd like and then continue hitting golf shots from there. But as soon as you wrap up your practice session, if you wouldn't mind just helping the next person using the TRACKMAN, just go into the upper left-hand corner here. You're going to see the house button. Just go ahead and click that, and then that'll bring the screen back to the general home screen where the next person using the TRACKMAN will be able to access the options that they would like.